Are you ready now?
It's you, Mama.
No,
they want me to do a speech. Can you do it? Do it now. I want to be there.
Yeah.
Oh, I need some notice.
It's live. And cut. Action. And action. Hi, Barum. Hi, Lulu.
Don't get too close.
I can see myself.
Yeah, but you get rounded.
I just want to say congratulations. Welcome to the family, Lulu. I love you guys so much, and I'm so happy to be a part of your big day. And I just pray for your forever happiness, endless blessings, great success, and much more. Everything that you've ever wanted. Thank you so much for having me a part of your day, and congratulations again.
แฟนเราได้กินโมไปครับ Mami, nakita siya niya. Nakita siya niya. May nagkikla mo? Baka may say kla.
May try Sadko
Bon.
Chicken?
Long.
Oh, the loam.
He didn't get any much.
Oh.
So how's the food?
Very good, delicious. I love the steak.
She didn't take a bite. Roast beef.
This is good. It's a grass-fed beef.
Right.
Organic.
Keto.
From Hawaii. Keto diet.
The pasta is keto.
Hawaiian.
They killed and shipped a cow from Hawaii.
Grass-fed.
How's the food?
I love the chicken marsala. Maybe I can convince my home cooking to make it.
And Tammy, how about some cake cutting music for our bride and Lulu? Lulu, you can cut the first piece of that wedding cake. And if anybody would like to come up and take pictures or video, feel free. Abraham, you can cut the next piece.
Great.
Okay, here's where the fun starts. Lulu, you can feed your husband the first piece of that wedding cake. What do you think, everybody?